My name is Marcia, and for the past 14 years, I've been raising alpacas on our small family farm in Maine. We produce a line of yarn called Lana Plante. Lana Plante is Latin for wool in the plant kingdom. We use natural dyes exclusively on our yarns. Many of the plants needed for dye we grow right here. We also harvest responsibly from nature, and we do buy some plant material. Initially, when I first started raising alpacas, I used synthetic dyes. Then I was curious, what was in them? Why was there nothing on the label? Where were they made? How were they made? And in doing the research, I discovered that synthetic dyes are all derived from coal tar, which is a byproduct of the petroleum process. It's very toxic and cancer-causing. That is when I shifted to using natural dyes exclusively. Natural dyes make beautiful multi-dimensional color. We would like to grow our line of naturally dyed yarns, and in order to do that, we need a greenhouse. We need a greenhouse to grow more plant material and have a longer harvest time. If I have more dye plants, I need more wool. We would like to start sourcing wool from other local farms and include not just alpaca but sheep's wool. Ultimately, we want to create a product that's good for you, good for our communities, and great for the environment.